Welcome to TGFX, your go-to channel for trading strategies and education. Today, we have something special in store for you, a concise and insightful tutorial on building a trading strategy using the anchored volume-weighted average price or anchored VWAP exclusively on TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out in the exciting world of financial markets, mastering the art of trading requires skill, precision, and a solid strategy. That's where Anchored VWAP comes in. Anchored VWAP is a powerful tool that allows you to analyze price action in relation to volume, giving you a unique perspective on market trends and potential entry and exit points. Before we begin our trading education, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get started. You can find the VWAP tool under the Drawings tab in the TradingView menu. Additionally, to enhance our trading accuracy and provide us with convenience while using this tool, I will also add the VWAP indicator to our chart, bringing up its settings on the screen. A buy label is generated from the VWAP alerts indicator, and we are moving the anchored VWAP tool from the menu to the bar where the label appears. After the buy label, the first 5 bars that form are completely insignificant. We are expecting a pullback movement to occur after these 5 bars, and we also anticipate the price to close below the blue-colored pivot line. Now let's carefully read and understand the instructions on this screen. And the final bar of the current pullback action has been neutralized by a 2-bar bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. This formation has now created a favorable environment for a buy trade. After placing the stop-loss level below the lower anchored VWAP indicator, we waited for a sell label for the trade exit, and we achieved a fantastic profit level. Let's take a look at a few more trade examples, because this strategy can be both powerful and somewhat complex. If you have any questions or if you have ideas to further enhance this model, please write them in the comments section. Let's win together and earn more. Hey, I said let's win together, not alone. Also, I'll provide a small reminder once we have fully learned the strategy. Please stay tuned and don't leave the video. We see a buy label. We move the anchored VWAP tool onto the candlestick, where we see the label. Then, as you can see on the screen, a valid pullback movement forms. This pullback movement closes below the blue line. With an additional bar, it is crucial for the close to be below the blue line. Please keep this in mind. And the additional bar that completes the pullback action engulfs it within another green-colored bar, neutralizing it. This green bar is the trigger candle, and a trade can be opened. As you can see, once again, it was a successful trade, and we achieved a nice profit. Now let's look at a short position example. We see a sell label from the VWAP alerts indicator, and we take the anchored VWAP tool from the menu and place it on the bar where we see the label. The subsequent first 5 bars are not significant. Now please pay attention to this detail in the example. After the short position label, a valid pullback movement occurred right here, but this action did not reach above the blue line. Therefore, we do not consider it in this strategy model. The pullback movement that occurs above the blue line appears to be ideal for us. The accepted pullback movement generates 2 additional candlesticks, and the last additional candlestick is neutralized by a 2-bar engulfing formation. Now let's carefully review all the criteria. Traders using a stable profit-taking technique like 1-to-1, 5 or 1-to-2 achieved higher profits in this trade. However, since we closed the trade by waiting for a reversal signal, we earned less. Then, Those who appreciate this profit-taking technique, please hit the like button. And those who do not, please also hit the like button. Now let's quickly look at the final example. I was just kidding. I said quickly, but not that quick. Dear trader, this trading strategy is a very powerful model. But in our instructional video, it is not common for all the conditions to be met as shown in the examples. Therefore, you should patiently monitor the chart and enter trades at the right time when all the conditions are met. It may not be suitable for day traders who engage in scalping-like strategies. Goodbye and take care until we meet again.